It's Tuesday, February the 8th. I did not get any parts all week last week due to the weather, so finally they just showed up today. The parking lot is full, so we just kind of hauling ass to getting caught up. That's what we're gonna do today. This Touareg here needs a blower motor, no big deal. This yellow Audi here needed the engine relay, easy fix. John is about done with it. On that E90 right there, we were waiting for the radiator, finally showed up. John got it done, and there's many more outside, so yeah, I have to go.
Well, I am working on this Audi RS4, I think, whatever it is. Just replaced the relays up front there under the DME. Now I'm clearing off all the codes. I'm going to let the customer have it and drive it, see if anything happens. It's not repeating what it came in here for. So this one's done. And off to a water pump.
One down, actually two down. Many more to go.
You know it's crazy when you're working underneath cars.
Transferring his old tires from his stock rims to his new rims that he just bought. So he's keeping the same tires, just new rims. Big truck. Big tires. Heavy tires. You can just hear the machine going, ugh!
Water pump. That's what I'm doing with the Audi.
Yeah.
Gotta take out the intake. Oh. Yeah, it's underneath the intake. So I've done a couple of these. So we'll see if I can get it done today. We just got the part in, so hopefully I can get this one conquered and moved on to the next. I hope.
Okay, so on this 2015 F55, the upper motor mount crapped out, so we're gonna change that, and I'll tell you right now, that is a gigantic pain to do. I'm not looking forward to it, but it needs to be done, so. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? Recover the Freon on this?
I don't think I did.
I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out.
You sure?
Oh yeah.
I remember removing the headlight. I manipulated the lines the last time.
Yeah.
So.
This RS7 has a solid misfire. About to find out what's wrong with it. And we're gonna go from there. Well, it's got a solid misfire of 6 and 8. It is on a tune though, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna order 2 coils for it and we'll go from there. Oh, it's got like an aftermarket tune on it. I don't even know why they designed it like this. Actually, on the older one, it's cake to do. I guess the engineers, they did not have enough beer when they designed it. I don't know. And there is no room, so there is 0 room. It is what it is. I don't like it. Got to make sure I order the right one. This is it. The other one is completely smashed, like right here, and leaked all the fluid out, so. You have to support the engine down, because once we remove the motor mount, the engine is just gonna fall, so we have to support it with a floor jack on the oil pan. About to take these 5 screws out, and then it's gonna be a fight pulling that mount out. So. This is where fun begins. Hey John,
Oh,
how do you take yours out? Through this hole, right?
yeah, yeah.
As I was mentioning earlier. Let's compare it to the new one. Look at the difference. This is a solid piece, this is completely broken. They use so much Loctite for the headlight that there is a screw right here, won't come out. So that's why the headlight, it's kind of in my way. Oh, perfect.
So I got the new water pump in. I got it pressure tested just to test for any leaks. Didn't see any, so I'm putting the intake back together, leaving it under pressure just to get any more bubbles out. One of the known issues with this motor is the water pump always going out. So other than that, it's a really good motor. I like this car.
It's all back together. It's not as bad as I thought. I remember John did one a while back, and yeah, he was pretty much not happy doing one. But now we found a different way how to do those, so they're not bad at all actually. So this is done. I got just the air duct to put on, the bottom cover, and then next one.